Okay, so let's continue this question. Can you tell me about the types of import? That means how many ways are there in Java to import a package?
Yes, we have two types of import in Java. So first one is the normal import and second one is static import. So when we create any packages, so we have to import, because by importing that package we can avail all the classes of the available in that package into the Java program. So we have first a normal import. So by using normal import, like for example, I am having a number of classes available in lang package. So what I have to write is import java.lang.star. Okay, by mentioning the star, all the packages will be available. But when we use this star keyword, so means all classes are available, so it creates the burden. So we can use the fully qualified class name, meaning one class import at a time. For example, import java.lang.system, so only system class will be available. Then we have the static import. So static import, we have to just mention the static keyword in the import statement. So for example, import static java.lang.start, suppose I am mentioning. So whatever static class is available there, so that will be import in the class. Then we no need to mention the class static class name. Like for example, I want to print a message, so what I write generally system.out.println. But when I use static import, so we have to write only out.println. No need to mention the static class, that is system.